Hello civil engineers, welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, we'll try to find the quantity for the parapet wall. So for that, you see here, so this was my ground floor and this was my first floor, okay? And in this particular area, that is in your first floor itself, this much area, whatever you have, no, it's an open space. So since it's an open space, you will not have a slab over that. So this portion, what you can see, this portion, this and this is my parapet wall, okay? So last time I already shown you, this is how a parapet wall looks. See, here they have given a hollow, but usually in most of the cases, the parapet wall, either they make use of a brickwork and they construct. Suppose if it, usually in the house construction, if it is an industrial building and all, we don't use the brickwork, we give a concrete there, okay? Instead of brickwork, we make a concrete, okay? So this is that parapet wall what we have, okay? So here what we do, we make use of concrete. So I think here I don't have any images, but I hope you have understood. So instead of brickwork, we make use of concrete and do it something like this. See, yeah. So this is also kind of parapet, but you can see there, yeah, here I can, yeah, here also it is brickwork only, no problem. I hope you got an idea. Yeah, something like this, okay? You make use of concrete and you do it, that's it, simple. So for that we'll find the quantity estimation. So again, parapet wall, I've written it is 110 mm thick, okay? Usually we provide it 100 mm or sometimes it is 110 mm, okay? Few people even go for 125, even 150 also, it's possible, depends. But we can consider it to be 110 mm in this case, okay? Yeah. So again, it will be in cubic meter. Now coming to the length, how do you find the length? We'll try to see that. So for the length part, you just have to do the measurement now. So yeah. So first what we'll do, no, we'll do in this way. Let me find the dimension for this. I'll do the dimension from here. Yeah. See, this is 2.06 outer, okay? So next, after that, once you do the brickwork here, next you have to take this measurement. Here you have to be a bit careful. And once this is done, you have to take this measurement. Okay, I'll tell you what exactly we're trying to do. See, so in brickwork, when you're doing a brickwork, it will go completely. Okay, that is why I've taken 2.06. Next, your brickwork will be from here. Okay, from which part? From this part. From this part. It will go completely. So that is why I've taken outer to outer this time. Okay, or you could have taken even from here also. That also can be done. This also is okay. Okay, instead of doing that, so it depends how you want to take it. Okay, there's, like I mentioned, there's no hard and fast rule. You take from here to here also, I can close it, or I can take it completely also, no problem. I'll take it completely. Okay, fine. After that, the last portion, this one I'll take from here to this distance. So that is why you can see the measurement what I've done. So this is 2.06. This inner to this, this inner to this inner I've taken, it is 9.68. Yeah, I think one mistake I made. Let me delete that. Yeah. So if you see here, no, this I've taken from inner to inner only. Okay. This 9.68 is from this inner to this inner only I've taken. Okay. Yeah. And this green color, I'll put it completely now. And here I've taken this complete length. If that is the case, then I should take this completely, no? Yeah. I think this is not 5.52. So this has to go from here to this end I need to take, right? So, okay, we'll do that also. I'll take it out. Yeah. So this dimension will be from this outer to this outer. It is 5.64 and we'll delete this. Okay, now we'll go to the Excel sheet. Let me see how I've done it. So 2.06 is what I've written. Okay. So 2.06 exactly. This is 2.06 I've taken. This is 9.68 I've taken. So see in the Excel sheet I put 9.68 and plus this I've taken. Yeah, exactly. From here to here it is 5.64. So I've taken 5.64. Got it? So in this way, what will happen? You'll get total running meter, which is 17.38. The thickness by default, if you come and check the dimension here, they've given this thickness, what you can see, no? Yeah, it is 0.11. See, the thickness is 0.11. Okay, fine. So that is why I've done an input of 0.11. That is a width. Height. Again, this height is very important. Now height is not 3.2 meter for parapet. For that, what you're supposed to do, come to the cross section. So this is your parapet height. You can see from here. This is your, this was your ground floor. This was your first floor slab. So from the top of your first floor slab to the top of your parapet, it is 0.9 meter. Okay, that is 900 mm. Okay, so that is what I've done. I've written 0.9. Okay, there is no deduction of your beam or slab because it's the open portion. So it is 0.9. Got it? Now the area without deduction will be how much? 19.38 into the height I need to multiply. It will, that is 17.38 into 0.9. This will give me 15.642. Now here area after deduction will not come. Why? Because there is no openings. No, if you see in this parapet wall, there is no openings, nor lintel is going to come, nothing is going to come. So everywhere it's a full brickwork. So there is no opening. So area after deduction, there won't be anything. So total volume will be area without the deduction, that is 15.642. Multiply this by which one? Multiply by 0.11. You'll get the volume of the parapet wall. Got it? Yeah. So in the same case, if it was a concrete one, then what you do, you consider this in the concrete portion. Okay. Like in the second floor, you can come, like if you remember, we have reached to the rooftop floor, isn't it? Here we had come to the beam we had done, and this also we had done. Here you can write parapet wall of 100 mm thickness concrete, and in the concrete portion you could have added. Since it's a brickwork portion, I'm adding it in the brickwork. Okay, depends on what is given in your drawing. Based on that, you try to do it. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the lecture up to here. So in this way, I have completely explained you all the things here. Okay, ground floor, first floor, parapet. There is no more brickwork left out. All the brickwork portion I have taken care of. Okay, yeah. So only the small brickwork portion is left out. That is, if you remember, this is my staircase, isn't it? The in beneath the staircase up to the landing slab level. If you're able to understand, I'll show you the staircase portion. Okay, so the staircase was in other drawing. No? Let me open that. Okay. Yeah. So what I want to tell is, see, I'm showing you for the earlier drawing. Don't get confused. Otherwise, I'll show you for the same drawing. Not an issue. If I go to the same drawing, here I don't have the staircase. This thing. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, got it. See, here itself, I'll explain you. So if you see here, everywhere this brickwork portion, everything we have done. So this was my staircase, isn't it? So this was your which slab? Waist slab. So below the waist slab, this was your landing level. This was your landing beam, right? This was your landing, and here you are having that mid landing beam. So you can see here also you are supposed to do the brickwork. Here also you are supposed to do the brickwork. In the same way, once you reach there, once you go to the next flight, again you see from this top to here you are supposed to do the brickwork. So this brickwork I have not taken. So you can add it. Okay, it's a slight brickwork what will come. Not many bricks won't come there. That portion you can add so that we are not missing out this particular brickwork, right? So if you want, I'll show you that with the help of example itself. Yeah. So if you see here, no, look at this particular staircase. I'll show you this image. See, this staircase you had done, isn't it? So this was your open portion, and this was your landing beam. Your beam was coming here. So this height, whatever you have, no, here also brickwork. Of course, these people have done laterite stonework here, but we need to take care of this area, and we need to do the brickwork here. You're getting my point? So this is what I wanted to tell you. Similarly, same thing. I mean, for this building, I thought you see, this is a landing beam, no? Here it is. Here there is a beam. Okay. Beneath this space you have, there you are supposed to do the brickwork. So same thing you can see in the drawing also, that already I've shown you the staircase portion. I'll show you this in another drawing. In this drawing also, see, for that particular building, this was a flight what we had done. This was a flight what we had done. So you can see this is your brickwork. Up to this portion, you're supposed to do the brickwork. This height is given. Okay. Height you can take directly from here till what height your brickwork will go. Okay, I got the height. Okay, it is 1.3 meter. So length also I require, no? So what will be the length of this? So this length will be whatever is your landing, this area. Yeah, whatever is this area, no? This area. Because your brickwork will go throughout, isn't it? Your brickwork will go throughout. So this is 3.4. So I got the height, I got the length. If I multiply, I'll get the area of this. Okay. And if you multiply this by the thickness, that will be at 230 mm, you'll get the volume of this. This also you're supposed to add it. You're getting my point? So again, I've done it correctly, no? Because see, this entire is your beam. Okay, this entire is your beam. Beneath this only your wall will come. Till what height it will come? So it will come to this height. So this height, that is 1.3 meter. Okay. In the same way, you are supposed to take care of all these things. Okay. So that is done. In the same way, again here another height is there, brickwork. This also we need to take care of. Okay. Then after that, see, this is already taken care of, right? If you remember, wait, yeah, this is your ground floor and ground floor to first floor. Yeah, so this we haven't done it. Okay, since it was a staircase portion, we had left it. No, again this height is given. Take this height, you multiply by 3.4. Again take this height, multiply. Again take this height, multiply. In this way, your brickwork portion, whatever was left out, no, that will be taken care of. Okay, for this building, I thought I'll show you the same thing for this building. Okay, see, when you want to do such things, no, your architectural drawing should be proper. Only then we can do all this estimation. So let me show you. Where is that? Okay. Okay. Here I don't have any staircase portion. So it should be here only. Yeah. No problem. This height is already given. Okay. We are just missing this particular height. We'll take care of that. This height I know. This height you measure from here. And this you multiply by width of your staircase. For this, the plan should have been given. Right now, I think there is no plan of the staircase. Not an issue. Okay. You understood the concept, no? So that is enough. You just have to take care of this. So it won't be a huge quantity. Very small quantity will come. Okay. So this height is given. I'll take this height. I'll take this height. So it is 0.75 meter. This height I want. Then again, here also, this portion 0.76 brickwork will come. Again, this portion 0.75. And again, this is your chajja. Okay. Chajja quantity estimation we'll do later. Chajja and lintel we haven't done. We'll do it. Okay. Fine. And then this is your parapet one. So here your brickwork, we already taken care of this brickwork. Okay. Yeah. This much portion what we have, no? So this much portion whatever we have in the staircase area. So I have taken the length of each of this. This you need to multiply by the width of your stair. Okay. So width of the stair will be almost this only, because this is how you start your staircase from here. Okay. And this was the entire landing. Okay. In this way it was going. So this itself will be a stair width. Okay, 3.5 meter. Okay, fine. So because here only you are going to do the brickwork. Okay, you will start your stair like this. Okay, you start your stair like this in this. So this portion is missing out. So here only a brickwork will come in this portion. Other than that, this brickwork, see, this portion we already taken care of. Okay, this portion we have taken care of. This portion also we have taken care of. Okay, so this portion, that mid landing height brickwork we haven't considered. So that we need to consider. So especially the only this portion we have to consider. Yeah, mid landing height, this portion, then and this portion. This two portion is enough. Okay, because this portion is already covered. This portion is also already covered. Got it? So in this way, this small quantity you should add it. I won't be doing that. It's a very small quantity. Even if you miss also, it's okay. Not an issue. Okay. Because we are doing quantity estimation. Later on the site also, you can go and do the measurement. If you, because at the time of billing only, these things comes into play. Now we are just estimating, no? Even if you go, if you do, even if you miss the small quantity, it doesn't matter. But when you do the billing, you go to the site, see the exact dimension, and from there you can get the quantities. Even the site engineer also can give you this value. Okay, not an issue. You, if you want, you can do it. Else you can write a lump sum value, say around few bricks will go, and that you can take. When later I'll tell you how to find the number of bricks. Only with the volume of I have found. I haven't found the total number of bricks required. So later I'll take a separate Excel sheet. There will do everything in a single sheet. How much cement, sand, aggregate, brickwork is required and all. And there we can add another, let us say 200 or 250 extra bricks that will take care of this staircase portion. Okay. Yeah. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.